So if you have love bugs on your front windshield, I think this is one of the easiest ways to remove them. Now, a big portion of how you're gonna remove the love bugs or how difficult it is based on how long they've been sitting on your windshield. If they've been there for 5 hours, it's pretty easy. You can literally probably just use a towel. If they've been on there for 5 weeks, you might have to get a bit more aggressive. Now, with this one, I'm not gonna pressure wash it because these are freshly kind of splattered on there, so anything is going to remove these. I'm just going to assume that they're in a worse condition, which would lead me to this method. So I know we've seen the razor method where you put like a razor on and you scrape them off. I'm not a fan of that. I prefer to do this method. So what you're going to do is get a waterless wash, rinseless wash. You can spray it down with water, a quick detailer, and steel wheel. This is going to be quad O, or what's quad O, yeah, quad O, which means it's a 0000. And what you're gonna do is literally spray your whatever solution on there, spray a little bit onto the steel wool, and I kid you not, with the most gentle pressure going back and forth, this is gonna remove the bugs. And we do this as a business, so we've done it on some pretty harsh love bugs that have been sitting on the front windshield for a while, and we're not there scraping or getting a knife or like putting some heavy down pressure. We're literally just going back and forth with our steel wool over and over, and it easily removes it. Now, you're not scratching the windshield. I've done this on many vehicles, and you don't scratch the windshield. Again, don't put so much down pressure down, because you don't need that. You're literally gently going over the front windshield. So we see here, spray some right there. There's no blade that you need. There's no potential of you like scratching the windshield because you need to put it on a blade or use a blade or anything. It's the most simple method that you can do. And again, this part I could pressure wash it and they would come off, but I want to show you how it actually works. And again, we've done this on multiple vehicles that have had some pretty heavy love bugs on there, and it comes off the same way. Then just grab a towel, wipe it down, raise that, and voila, the bugs have been removed. There's no scratching on the windshield, and it's done super easily, quickly, and you don't have to use a blade or razor or anything on the windshield. So give it a try.